Unit 4. Questions and Answers. Part 2 marks. What is meant by AWT? April 2015 and 2018, November 2014 and 2017. The Java Programming Language Class Library provides an interface toolkit called the Abstract Window Toolkit or AWT. The AWT is both powerful and flexible to develop GUI or Wine-based applications in Java. Define Layout Manager. April 2017. The Layout Manager is a set of classes that implement the Java.aw Layout Manager interface and help to position the components as a container. The advantage of this type of mechanism is that when the container is resized, the Layout Manager automatically updates the interface. What is JButton control? April 2024. JButton is a component in the Swing toolkit of Java, used to create a button that can trigger an event when clicked. The JButton class is part of the javax.swing package. Syntax. JButton button is equal to new JButton, button label. What are swing controls? Swing controls, also known as swing components, are part of the Java Foundation classes, JFC, used to create graphical user interfaces, GUIs, in Java applications. Swing is a set of lightweight GUI components that provide a more flexible and powerful approach to building interfaces compared to the older Abstract Window Toolkit, AWT. Some of the swing controls are JLabels, JButton, JCheckerBox, JList, JScrollPane, JTextArea, JTable, JComboField. 5 Write short notes on JLabels. April 2024. A JLabel is a component in the Swing toolkit of Java used to display a short string or an image icon or both. It is a non-interactive component, meaning it doesn't respond to user input, like mouse clicks or keyboard input, directly. JLabel is often used to label other components, provide textual information, or display images in a GUI. Syntax: JLabel label_name is equal to new JLabel. This is the label text. Example: JLabel name new JLabel, Java, JLabel.center. 6. What is the purpose of Layout Manager? April 2013. The purpose of Layout Manager is the interface takes a task of laying out the child components in the container. The task is achieved by resized and moving the child components. 7. What is the difference between applications and swing controls? Applications. Swing. A software program designed to perform a specific task or a set of tasks for the user. A part of the Java Foundation classes, JFC, used to create graphical user interfaces, GUIs, for desktop applications. Can be a console application, a web application, a desktop application, or a mobile application. Provides a rich set of GUI components like buttons, labels, text fields, tables, trees, and more. Program is small, such as a text editor, like Notepad, which involves file handling, text processing, and user interaction. Large program with a specific library within Java used for building the graphical user interface of desktop applications. 8. What is a container in a GUI? A container contains and arranges other components through the use of layout managers, which use specific layout policies to determine where components should go as a function of the size of the container. 9. Name components subclass that support painting. iCanvas. 2. Frame. 3. Panel and 4. Custom paint classes support painting. 10. How are the elements of different layouts organized? Flow layout. The elements of a flow layout are organized in a top to bottom, left to right fashion. 2. Border layout. The elements of a border layout are organized at the borders and the center of a container. 3. Card layout. The elements of a card layout are stacked on the top of the other, like a deck of cards. 4. Grid layout. The elements of a grid layout are equal size and are laid out using the square of a grid. Grid bag layout. The elements of a grid bag layout are organized according to a grid. 11. Java supports 2 types of checkboxes. April 2024. Java supports 2 types of checkboxes. They are Exclusive, only one among a group of items can be selected at a time. If an item from the group is selected, the checkbox currently checked is deselected and the new selection is highlighted. The exclusive checkboxes are also called as radio buttons. Non-exclusive checkboxes are not grouped and each one can be selected from the other. 12. What is the differences between checkbox box and radio button? Checkbox box. Radio box allows the user to select multiple options at the same time. Each checkbox operates independently of others. It is used in a group to allow the user to select only one option from a set of mutually exclusive choices. It typically appears as a small square box that can be checked, ticked, or unchecked, unticked. It typically appears as a small circle that can be filled, selected, of empty, deselected. It is used when the user needs to select one or more options from a set of independent choices. For example, selecting multiple hobbies or interests. Used when the user needs to select only one option from a group of choices. For example, selecting a single payment method. By clicking on a checkbox box toggles its state between checked and unchecked. It is added to a button group to enforce single selection within the group. Only one button in the group can be selected at a time. Checkbox box does not require grouping. Radio button requires grouping, button group, to ensure only one selection.